This video walks you through how to import an asset register in Xero. Begin in your Xero account and go to Accounting, then Fixed Assets. This opens the Fixed Assets area where the import option is available. In the upper right corner, click the three-dot menu to open More Actions. From that menu, select Import. On the import screen, click Download Template, then choose the CSV option to download Xero's Fixed Assets template. This template gives you the structure Xero expects for the import. Open the file and enter your asset register data into the template. As you fill it in, keep the existing column headings exactly as they are and keep the columns in the same order. Changing either of those can cause problems when Xero reads the file, so it is worth checking before you save. Once the asset details have been entered, save the completed file as a CSV. If your spreadsheet program offers more than one CSV format, save it in a standard CSV format so Xero can process it correctly. After the file is saved, return to Xero to continue the import. Back on the import page, look for the date format setting. Select the date format that matches the way dates are written in your CSV file. This step matters because Xero uses that format to interpret the dates in your asset register. If the format in Xero does not match the format in the file, the imported dates may not be read correctly. Next, under Upload Assets, click Select File and browse to your saved CSV file, or drag and drop the file into the Upload area. Once the file has been added, click Next to move forward. Xero will then display an import summary. Review this summary carefully before completing the import. This is where you confirm that the assets in the file are ready to be brought into the Fixed Assets register. Check that the information shown matches what you intended to upload and make sure the import is ready to proceed. When everything in the summary looks correct, click Complete Import. Xero will then import the asset register from your CSV file into Fixed Assets. If the system takes a moment to process the file, wait for it to finish so the import can be completed. After the import is done, your assets are now in Xero based on the data from the template you uploaded. This process depends on using the downloaded template, keeping its headings and column order unchanged, selecting the matching date format, and confirming the import summary before the final step. Your asset register is now imported into Xero.